Well, we're back out on the bike after it's been parked up for winter. First day out. It's a bit chilly. It's not the it's not the most pleasant of days, but yeah, at least it's dry. And well, yeah, I thought I'd better make the most of it and get out. Yeah, what have I been doing over winter? I give the bike oil and filter change. I don't think it really needed it, but I do like to do an oil change over winter. How many miles we done? Yeah, just under 2,000 miles. So yeah, it wasn't really due, but and the oil that came out was pretty clean. But yeah, it's done now, isn't it? It's job done. What else have I done? Oh, there, yeah. I did have a strange, a strange event. I thought I would check the tyre pressure. So I don't think I've checked it since I bought it. So I mean, it felt all right. Anyway, I checked the front one. That was okay. Might have been down a pound. But come to check the back one. And I couldn't get a reading. On the tyre gauge. I give the valve a little bit of a poke. Nothing came out. I thought, oh, blinking valve stuck or something, you know. So I got some new valves. Thought that'll solve my problem. And I come to take the old one out. I was unscrewing it, waiting for the rush of air, and nothing. No, nothing. Not even the slightest hiss. The tyre was completely empty of air. There was nothing in it. Now, what I've been asking myself is, was that rear tyre empty? Was that rear tyre empty since the day I bought it? Surely the tyres can't be that stiff that I wouldn't notice. Surely not. But I pumped it up about 2 months ago, and it hasn't gone down at all since then. There's nothing in the tyre, there's no puncture or anything. So it's a bit odd. It's very strange. I cannot believe for one moment that all last summer I was riding around with no air in the tyre. I mean, if these Seat tyres can run with no air in without me feeling it, I mean, that's great. But I just can't see it. But on the other hand, I don't know where the air's gone. I mean, surely, even if it had gone down, there'd have been a slight hiss of air, would there not? I don't know. So, yeah, it's definitely an odd one. But I haven't done anything else other than that. a new roundabout. Building a new estate, that's why. Yeah, I haven't done anything else to the bike. I give it a bit of a clean. And it's been on its solar powered trickle charge over winter and started up first press of the button. So yeah, that's doing its job. Anyway, as it's the first day out, I thought we'd do the pilgrimage to the cafe. Well, it seemed only right, as it's the first day. Go to the obligatory cafe and have a brew. So, I'll catch up with you a bit later when we're there. Anyway, this is the point where I somehow dislodged the microphone wire out of the GoPro. Not sure how I did it, but yeah. Well, here we are, just turning up at the cafe. There's nobody here though. Not that I was expecting anybody, but yeah, it's just us. Funny how the bike sound is still working, but it didn't pick up any of the conversation. Don't know. Odd. I don't know how I dislodged it in the first place anyway. So, we'll park up and we'll go and get a brew, and I'll catch you later, hopefully with the mic wire plugged back in. Well, nobody turned up. Heard a couple of bikes go past, but that's about it. Oh well. So I'm going to I can turn it on. I'm going to head off to the dam, I think, and go home that way. Now, I must have pulled the microphone wire out of the camera, because I don't think it recorded the audio before I got here, so I'll check it out when I get home. I'll have to do a bit of a voiceover. Yeah. It hasn't got any warmer. Still blinking cold. Nah, it's not cold, it's just a bit chilly. Let's leave it at that. But yeah, it's good to be out on the bike again. Hopefully be able to get to some more places this summer. Well, weather permitting, if we have a summer. Last year was fantastic, really. It was really good. We had some cracking days. So I just hope this one's as good as well. Probably going to have to get some fuel on the way home. First time I've had to buy it at this extortionate price. Not that it makes a lot of difference on the Guerrilla. When you're getting 75 mile to the gallon, it, you know, it's not too bad. Just peeves me to pay it though, all the same. I believe they're bringing out, or brought out, a new model of the Guerrilla. Got very few updates, just mainly cosmetic. Different tyres, put road tyres on it, different colours. It's got like a cowl that fits on the rear seat, but no major differences, I don't think. Don't know if they've changed the mapping on the bike at all. But yeah, it seems, I don't know, a bit soon to be bringing one out. I mean, the Guerrilla came out 2024, 2 years ago, isn't it now? So, yeah, I don't know. Must have reasons behind it. Can't think of them myself, but I mean, they could have just changed the colours, I suppose, brought some new colours out. That's all that needed doing, really. I mean, yeah, they're putting different tyres on, you could do that yourself if you're not happy with the ones that are on it, can't you? Slight change of plan. I've decided not to visit the dam. Well, no, I'm lying actually. I took a wrong turning. I was busy talking away. I don't know where I missed the turning. So yeah, it's no big deal. I can go there another day. So yeah, I'm just going these back roads, which are very pleasant. Watch out for these pheasants. Yeah, I had one hit my head many years ago. Crikey, and he knock you out. Blythebury. Have I been down here before? I'm not sure. What does that go up there? Here's the pheasants again. Get out of the way. Years ago I hit one in my car. Smashed my headlights. Don't know if you've ever hit one, but you know, they're a big bird. Silk. Oh, it's a wedding place. I thought it was a pub. Looks like it was a pub at one time. Where are we? Or not so much where are we going to come out? Don't recognise the landscape at all. Still unsure where I'm going to emerge. Ridge Road. Don't recognise any of them names. We'll go this way anyway. just filled up with fuel. £13.88. It's usually £12 something. So it has gone up a little bit. Busy here though. Everybody's panicking. Going to reset my me trip. Remember how to do it. Which way to go? Probably that way actually. So yeah, no big difference really. I mean, I know it's kind of expensive, but for the amount I use in this, you know, it's no big deal. Oh, we've got a full tank, so we're good. Give it some beans now. Was getting a bit low at the end there, especially when I wasn't quite sure where I was and where I was going to find a fuel station. Lucky enough, came across Tesco, so yeah, all is good. All is good. Right, we're probably going to start heading back now. I've had my little ride. Been quite pleasant. First day out, even if it is a little bit chilly, but yeah, we're okay. Certainly my legs are a bit cold. Anyway, just going through this little village, then we'll get back on the main road and head home. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.